Welcome to the College of Southern Idaho. All of our programs are located on and around our large, beautiful campus. We're flying over the main entrance right now. The Taylor Administration Building houses many student services and student union. Between the Taylor and Fine Arts buildings is an attractive space you'll enjoy, Eagle Plaza. The Fine Arts Building is where we host our musical programs and theatrical productions. You're likely to spend time in the Meyerhofer Building, which houses CSI's large, modern library. The CSI Gym is where the Golden Eagle basketball and volleyball teams play, and the nicely equipped rec center affords students and staff the workouts they want. We're following the CSI campus circular road, which is exactly 1 mile around. Here, we're looking east toward Blue Lakes Boulevard. The next building that comes into view is the Evergreen, which is where many of our agriculture and physical science programs are located. Looking south toward the city of Twin Falls, we can see the Rose Garden at the center of campus, attractive all seasons of the year. Though it looks like one, this is actually 2 buildings, Desert and Canyon. Lots of our technical programs are located in these facilities. Let's pivot our view from the Desert Building and look northwest across North College Road at our new Transportation Technology Center, which houses our diesel programs. Then, looking straight north, see the Applied Technology and Innovation Center. Across North College is the Health Sciences and Human Services Building. And as we look east from the Canyon Building, we see the Harrett Center for Arts and Science, the Eldon Evans Expo Center Rodeo Arena, and the Veterinary Technology Center. The Breckenridge Farm gives our ag students hands-on experience with various aspects of their education. Turning back to the campus circle, the Hepworth Building is our next stop as we are now looking west toward Washington Street. The Shields Building finishes our view, bringing us back to where we started our circular tour. As we look just outside the circle from Shields, we see the nearby Eagle Hall Dormitory and the Art Complex over at the southeast corner of campus. Thanks for checking us out. We hope to see you soon on campus.